If you have a house you want to sell quickly, call HomeVestors, the We Buy Ugly Houses people. We've helped over 75,000 people get out of an ugly situation with their house, and we can do the same for you. How does it work? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Contact us. Just call or fill out the form on our website. We'll set a no-obligation consultation to visit with you and see your property. 2. If your property fits the HomeVestors program, we can make an immediate cash offer. There's no obligation on your part. 3. If you like the offer, we'll pay cash for your house. We cover all normal closing costs. You never pay a commission. And we really do buy as is, so there's no painting, repairs, or cleanup. And we typically close on your schedule, our promise to you. So if you have a house you want to sell fast, you've got a fast way to do it. Call HomeVestors. HomeVestors is America's #1 home buyer. Since 1996, over 75,000 people have turned to us when they wanted a fast cash offer for the purchase of their house. You can too. For a free, no-obligation cash offer, call 888-802-8260 or visit WeBuyUglyHouses.com.